Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to see who subscribed to your YouTube channel. For this, first of all, we open YouTube Studio. There is no option to see the subscribers. For this, we will close the YouTube Studio and then open Chrome. Then go to the search bar and type YouTube Studio. Click and hold the first link. Click on Open in New tab. Then go below and click on that button. Hey, YouTube Studio will start to open. Then go to the below and zoom right here. Here are the subscribers who followed me before 90 days. Click on See All. Here we can see the subscribers of that person ID who have followed us recently, and we can subscribe to that. And we can subscribe to this channel. That's the way to see who subscribed to your YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.